Two email marketing giants, one showdown. Which platform truly leads the pack? On the left, the user-friendly MailChimp, and on the right, the reliable powerhouse AWeber. Let's forget the marketing jargon and dig into what really matters. We'll rate them across key categories, and by the end, you'll know exactly who wins. You might be surprised by who takes the crown. Okay, before we get lost in features and sales pitches, here's the plan. We're breaking this down by price, features, deliverability, design and templates, integrations, ease of use, and support. Got all that? Good. Let's map it out and dive right in. So first up, let's talk price, because who isn't thinking about that? MailChimp actually gives you a solid free tier, up to 500 contacts, which is kinda awesome if you're just starting out or you're on a shoestring budget. But, and here's the kicker, as soon as your list grows, your bill creeps up fast, like faster than you'd expect. Now, AWeber doesn't technically do a free plan, but their starter prices are lower, and they're super generous if you have a small list. Bottom line? AWeber is actually a better deal for your wallet, especially after your first couple hundred subscribers. Moving on to features, man, MailChimp comes in swinging. They've got all this advanced automation, smart e-commerce tricks, even some fancy AI-powered tools now. It's like they want to be the Swiss Army knife of email. But, if you're just sending a basic newsletter, you might look at it all and go, whoa, do I really need all this stuff? On the flip side, AWeber sticks to the basics. Autoresponders, simple list management. You get what you need, but don't expect wild automation or a pile of modern glitzy templates. So if you're after power features, MailChimp is the way to go here. Next, deliverability. This one matters way more than people think. Having your emails hit the inbox instead of the spam folder? Gold. MailChimp is pretty solid for this, and they build in some compliance tools so you don't get yourself blacklisted. But sometimes you'll see your emails sneaking into Gmail's Promotions tab. Now, AWeber, they're actually a bit famous for this. They have a killer industry rep for delivery. Their spam policies are strict, maybe even too strict if you're in a gray area, but your emails? They show up, period. For hitting the inbox, AWeber takes it. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know MailChimp actually started out as just a side project way back in 2001? Kind of wild to see how far it's come. Design and templates. Hey. MailChimp flexes hard here. They've got this massive library drag and drop builders, and honestly, their modern styles look pretty slick. Building emails is almost fun? Unless, of course, you try custom HTML. That can get a bit finicky. AWeber's vibe is more classic. Easy, direct editing. Simple and done. But their template styles, kind of look like 2016 called. If you want modern and customizable, MailChimp is the winner here. Integrations. Huge if you run an online store or love connecting your tools. MailChimp really brings it, working with over 300 apps. It's perfect if you need to plug into Shopify or WooCommerce or like any platform. Although, gotta say, if you want to go deep with their API, you might need a dev on speed dial. AWeber handles the basics and can connect to more through Zapier, but direct plug-and-play options? Kind of limited. Clear win for MailChimp, especially for power users. All right, ease of use. This is a toss-up, but let's be real. MailChimp packs in a lot, which means it can be a little overwhelming at first, even with their guided setup. Props for the Learning Center, though. AWeber, though? It's plain old simple. Seriously, you log in and just get going. The interface looks dated, but you always know where things are. If you like no fuss, AWeber takes the crown here. Finally, support. With MailChimp, you get a community forum, email, and chat. They cover you, but don't bother looking for a phone number because you won't find one. AWeber, meanwhile, offers 24/7 support. You need help at midnight? They've got phone, chat, and email. Super beginner-friendly, the knowledge base could be beefed up, but the support is just easier to reach. For most folks, AWeber steps up here. Here's a quick look at how these two stack up across all the big categories, just so you can see the gaps and standouts clear as day. So who's all this for? Well, if you're growing an e-commerce shop or you're a creator and want all the extra tools, MailChimp is your playground. But if you just need rock-solid reliability, easy setup, and fast support, honestly, AWeber is probably your best bet. Personally, I'd say think about how much you'll actually use the features versus just wanting stuff to work right out the box. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.